master's in research, I'm doing, so apart from building information modeling, I'm also looking at blockchain because I'm interested in this concept as well, this technology, because it complements transaction-heavy industries very well. And we know construction is very transaction-heavy. We have all these different information flows, cash flows, and material flows. And blockchain can address each one of these different flows very well.
Yeah, wow. You have been, you do really interesting stuff. The blockchain technology is also like, it's a big thing, but it's like, I have tested a couple of construction-focused blockchains for transaction. It's more like focused on quality papers, but it's still, I think it still requires some tweaking that it gets really better adoption into the site, because then it's again, how to say, the next level of understanding on technological tools and utilizing them than if we're talking like more simpler BIM tools that we have on the site. But it's interesting stuff, definitely. What kind of research are you focused on in blockchains?
So with blockchain, I'm looking, again, because I'm interested in supply chain, how people work together. So I'm looking at how blockchain is influencing trust, which is a very elusive concept as well. And it's essentially blockchain is shifting what we are calling relational trust. So typically companies work together because they trust the brand or how long they know this partner, or their history together and their reputation. And we see a change from that towards how much they trust the data that they can produce, the data that they can share, information. And that's also that I'm very much triggered by this concept, because also when I was looking at BIM, one of the key things that when I was doing research on BIM, one of the key things that people were saying to me, it was like, oh yes, okay, they've sent me this drawing, but how do I know if I trust this drawing? So this was a key thing when, with BIM, you couldn't answer this question, right? How can they trust it? You couldn't answer that, but blockchain has the potential to shed some light there.
True.
So this is one of the directions I'm looking at, but I'm interested also in blockchain from a more ecosystem high level, because I want to, because it's a very new technology, at least in our sector. We haven't seen a lot of applications yet, but still there are many companies which are interested in that. A lot of companies are watching the space, and I'm really interested, more from a meta level on how the industry is organized, how the industry is preparing itself for that. And I'm very curious. And because I'm also involved in the Construction Blockchain Consortium, we want to help in that. So we're doing also a lot of knowledge exchange in order to be able to share some of the research and technological advancements with the industry.
Wow, that sounds amazing. It was what was the group's name? Blockchain Technology Consortium.
Construction Blockchain Consortium. Yeah.
Construction Blockchain Consortium.
Consortium.
Yeah. Thank you. Consortium. Yeah, definitely to check that out. That's new for me. Cool that they have also, like, there's so much interested that they have gathered a group together to study it.